Amaka, what are you doing?
You're making a cup of coffee for the king.
But I saw Lieutenant, the chief maid, taking a cup of coffee to the king. What?
Yes. Again? What is wrong with that girl? I can't take this. This nonsense has to stop.
Remember, she's the chief maid.
Huh? Chief maid my foot.
Amaka, where is she going?
Wrong with you? What is your problem? What will you gain by seeing me get sacked in this palace? What? Will you take care of my parents? Would you pay my bills? Everybody in this palace knows that it is my duty to serve the king once it's 7:15 a.m. But just because I was 3 minutes late, you took your busy-bodied self to go serve the king. What is your problem? All you do is to make yourself unnecessarily relevant for the king and the queen. Why? So they see you as a special one, right? Huh? In your dreams. Listen, let today be the first and last you will ever do my duties again. Do you hear me? Rubbish.
God, how I hate that fool. I hate her with passion.
I still don't know what the king and the queen sees in her, that they chose to make her the chief maid. Huh?
Isn't it obvious? She knows how to cook.
No. She uses charms.
Charms?
Yes. If not, tell me, how else do you explain the king and the queen being fond of her? Including the prince. Is it not obvious that she uses charms on them? Has she not charmed them?
Charms?
Yes.
I don't think the prince is interested in her. I don't think so.
They play.
See, my only anger right now is why she's always pestering around the king and queen in this palace and always the force to do chores, to get noticed. I mean, why?
I hate that girl. Eh? I hate that girl so much. Kai, unnecessary competition. As for me, I can't wait for the day that I will get to deal with her in this palace. Eh? I will so much deal with that stupid girl.
You won't believe. I went there to confront her for the rubbish she did. And guess what? She ignored me. She didn't even act as if I was talking to her. Can you imagine? But I don't blame her. I don't. Let her try and do my chores again in this palace. I will show her the stuff I'm made of. Rubbish. Okay. We shall see.
Why was I hearing your voice? Wait a minute. Don't tell me you were shouting at the chief maid.
I'm sorry, my queen, but she got on my nerves.
Have you gone mad? Eh? Now listen and listen good. Let this be the last time I will ever hear you raise your voice at the chief maid. What is wrong with you? Don't you know she's special to me and should be accorded the respect she deserves? Don't try this again. Are you hearing me?
Yes, my queen. I'm sorry.
Now go and apologize to her immediately. Leave! Can you imagine?
Just calm down. Come on, just be calm.
I should have been more careful, Chidi. I should have locked the door before doing it. What the hell was I thinking? What was I thinking? God.
Come on, just calm down. It's good your mother didn't see it.
But the stupid girl is going to tell my mother about it. She's going to do it.
Who is she?
The bloody maiden who bashed into the room without even knocking with a stupid cup of coffee. God! I'm finished.
Just be calm. See, I know the gravity of what just happened. But then the man needs to go.
But I got caught in the act. And that's not a good thing. I got caught.
Just calm down. We'll find a way to fix this.
I know by the time I go back to the palace, there'll be lots of policemen waiting to arrest me. Bro, I'm going to jail. I'm freaking going to jail, bro.
Come on, boy, you know you can deny it. You can deny getting involved in your own father's death.
She saw me. She was right there. She saw me do the whole thing.
Don't you get it? She was there. Come on, it's her word against yours. Is a common palace maid. And there's no proof. It's you're the prince. It's your word against a common palace maid. Nobody will believe her. Just try and be calm.
Lotanna.
My queen. Yes, my queen.
Are you okay, my dear?
No. Yes.
Is it because of the way Amaka spoke to you? That disrespectful girl. I hope she has apologized.
No. Yes, she's apologized.
Good. When next she does such nonsense, don't hesitate to tell me. I will deal with her decisively. Okay?
Okay, my queen. Thank you, my queen.
Good.
Amaka, I think you should go and apologize to her, since the queen ordered you to do so.
Over my dead body. Why should I? Huh? Who is she?
Amaka, you may get sacked if she tells her.
She will not. She dares not. She thinks she can intimidate me. I will frustrate her till she leaves this palace.
Amaka, I think Isioma is right. What if she tells the queen and the queen decides to take action? What will you do?
She dare not.
But you said she was not listening when you were talking to her.
And I am not scared. I will make sure I deal with her. I will teach her a lesson that she will never forget in a hurry. Little bastard.
This one you're wearing this look.
There is fire on the mountain. Hi.
What is it?
I've been calling the king since morning. He's not picking my calls.
He's still asleep.
Oh, you need to wake him up. I need to see him. Something is happening in this kingdom that is about to rob us of our sleep permanently.
God forbid. What could that be?
Please, there is no time. Go and wake him up. I need to see him now.
Right away. Right
Yes.
away.
I should tell the queen. She needs to know what her son has done. The question now is, will she believe me? Will she? I need to make her believe me. I can't believe the king is dead, killed by his own son, his blood, God. But what if the queen doesn't believe me?
My king, you're still asleep. I'm always here to see you. My king. My king. My king. What kind of sleep is it? My king. My king. My king. Hey, my king. Hey, my king. Who is here? My king. Please. Hey, my king. No, my king. Please. Oh my God. Hey, somebody help me. Help. Oh my God.
Papa, what about the money I told you about now?
Ogonna, you came at the wrong time. Eh? This is the heat period in the palace. Eh? Lolo has not paid me for months now. Eh? The king just died. And the prince is not listening to anyone. What do you want me to do? Eh?
But Papa, this is not fair. This is not fair. You've not sent us money for the past 2 months now. And Mama is not feeling fine.
Shut that your mouth. Keep quiet. Didn't you hear what I just said? You didn't it?
Papa, see, if this gate man job is not working for you, just come and join us to farm in the village. No.
Get inside. Get inside. You know what? I'm a man. Big for nothing. I should come and join you in the village to do what? Look at the small place I'm just managing here. Very soon I will become a manager here. You are telling me to leave and join you in the village to farm. To farm as what? Eh? If they notice that you are here now, that is automatic sack. Get inside. Early morning, tomorrow morning. You start going. I'm going back to the village. Don't come and add to my problem here.
Lutana, what did you do to the king?
I don't understand.
Oh, you understand. Oh, you know what I'm talking about, you wicked girl.
Amaka. What? Can you please calm down? There are so many people coming to see the queen.
She needs to tell us what she has done to the king.
I did not do anything to the king.
Liar. All lies. And I swear to you, I will expose you. Even if it's the last thing I do, I swear, Lutana, I will expose you.
Oh, my queen.
Yes, sir.
It's unfortunate that we have to experience this loss at this time. You know. But the gods know better. Well, as it is right now, we will be expecting a lot of dignitaries coming to pay respect and condolences, you know, and it is proper that the prince is here. You know, it's not nice that they will come here and the prince will not be found. So I suggest that you put a call across to him wherever he is so that he can come. Okay?
It's my mom calling. I'm sure they must have found his corpse.
You are sure you killed him, right?
Of course, yes, I did. I even had to come back to confirm he was dead, and he was.
Good.
So what do I do now?
Well, just let the dust settle, and then in the evening you go back to the palace.
So I shouldn't take a call?
No, leave it be. You just go back when you're sure the man is in the morgue.
Well, thanks, bro.
Anything for you.
I'm going to jail. Man, I'm so fucked up right now, bro. What am I going to do now? What am I expected to do now, bro? See, just calm down, bro. Are you sure about this? Come on. I thought you just get out of the car. Alright, just get the hell out of here, alright? So much, man. Oh, you win, bro. Hello, my prince. Are you home? What? Where are you? Okay. Wait, just hold on. Hold on. Just stay there. I'm coming right away. Hold on. I'm coming now.
My queen.
Not now, Lieutenant. I can't eat. I need to know where my son is.
Is he not answering your calls?
He's not. Eh? I don't know what's going on.
My queen, I have something to tell you.
Not now, Lieutenant. I am stressed, please.
My queen, it's important to tell you this. Please.
Lieutenant!
I'm sorry, my queen.
What is this?
No, is it not connected? It's connected, but it's not picking. I wonder what the problem is. Hi. Olu. Let it not be that the double tragedy has happened. God forbid. We can't bury a king and a prince at the same time. Look, I don't know what is wrong with you. Why would you conceive that kind of a horrible idea in the first place? Not that I mean. Please, just sit, keep quiet. What is it? Why are you this negative? Huh? I'm sorry. But Onu, maybe you should alert the police. I've actually thought about it. Huh? But I'll do that tomorrow morning. That is if he doesn't show up today. Okay? It's alright. Let's go. Okay. Hi.
You know, I have a feeling the king was poisoned by the chief maid.
How?
What do you mean how? Wasn't she the one that served him coffee? So she definitely knows whatever happens to him.
Amaka, that's a huge accusation.
I know, but that's the truth. She killed the king. She killed him.
What did you just say?
You heard me. You killed the king.
How can you say such a thing to me? You know I would never do such a thing to the king. I loved him so much, like a father, and you know this.
You love the king. Of course you're a bastard. We all know that. So, tell us, how much do you love the king?
You believe her? Yes. And I believe her too. Yes. You've given us so much reasons for us to distrust you in this palace. So all this your Baza Queen, all this busybody you've been doing since was just to kill the king. For what?
To take over the throne, which is impossible.
Enough, Amaka! Enough! I do not know why you hate me so much. But one thing I know is that God in heaven is my witness that I'm innocent. I have no hands in the death of the king.
You will soon know why I hate you this much. Wait until the queen gets to find out the real you. The queen soon. Killer. You are a murderer.
I didn't kill the king. Why would you even say such a thing to me? Why? And you believe that even you too?
Crocodile tears.
That's a lie. You?
Please stop all this pretense, I beg. You killed the king.
Hey, son.
Mom.
Where have you been? We've been searching the whole kingdom for you. What happened?
Mom, I was kidnapped.
What?
I managed to escape. You need to have seen the thick forest they took me to. I thought I lost my phone until I escaped and go back to my car where I parked it, and then I found my phone there.
May the gods forbid.
They wanted to use me for rituals, Mom.
God forbid!
Yeah, that's what they said. Meanwhile, where is Dad? I need to tell him what's going on. This village is no longer safe, Mom. It's not safe. We need to double the security. Why are you crying?
Your father is late.
Father.
My prince, we thank the gods of our forefathers for sparing your life.
Yes. I am grateful to be alive today. The gods be praised.
You say...
My prince, I'm sure you are aware of the tragedy that befell our people yesterday. Aside that, we have a major problem in our hands. The people of Umokoro Kingdom are threatening to release flood on our land.
Flood?
Yes. As a matter of fact, I came here to intimate your father about the issue when I met his lifeless body.
But we already have an agreement with the people of Umokoro. Or have they forgotten? They are to keep their borders closed since their dam is close to our village. If they, peradventure, open that, it will ruin everything that we have.
Exactly, my prince. That is why we need to meet with the king, so that we can try to resolve the king of Umokoro Kingdom, so that we can try to resolve whatever is responsible for his forgetting our agreement.
Well, no, you can do that with the elders.
No, my prince. We need a leader figure to do that. I mean, since your father passed on, we can't hold any crucial meeting without a leader. And as we all know, you are next in line.
I'm not ready, you know.
My prince, we don't have time. If we don't attend to this issue ASAP, if we don't meet with the king of Umokoro Kingdom and resolve this issue, then disaster awaits our people.
But to know
it's okay, son. Just do what you have to do to save your people, okay?
There you are. And where the hell do you think you're going?
I'm heading to the Queen's room
To do what exactly? Where are you going to?
I'm heading to the Queen's room.
To do what exactly?
To tidy her room.
Are you now the palace cleaner? Lieutenant?
No, my prince. But it's my duty to ensure the cleaner does her job.
You reek of betrayal. Are you about to snitch on me?
I don't understand snitching, my prince.
What did you see? What exactly did you see?
Nothing.
Oh, really? Is that so? Well, I've got my eyes on you. Your every move. Every day. Every time. I'll be watching you.
So how did it go?
It seems she didn't tell her mother anything.
I told you not to panic.
It's not as if she's not going to say a word. She is. For God's sake, she witnessed everything. She saw me kill my father. She was there, right there.
I know, but for now, be rest assured that she's not going to tell your mom anytime soon.
Bro, we need to find a way to get this girl off the line. So we need to figure out a way to do this.
Look, we'll take care of it, but then you have to be patient.
There's no time for patience. Alright? There's no time for patience. I'm in a fix right now. Meanwhile, how about the other guy from last night? How did he go?
I took care of it like I promised.
Oh man. You brother, man, you lifesaver.
Anything for you.
Thank you so much.
Just chill. We're going to sort it out.
No, we need to take care of this girl right now.
All right.
Right away.
All right. We'll do it.
My queen, I don't know if this is the right time to speak with you.
It's not, but go ahead.
It's about the prince.
What about him?
He's the one that killed the king.
Lotanna!
My queen.
Are you alright? Is something wrong with your head?
Not really, my queen.
Then what nonsense are you talking about?
My queen, I saw him kill you.
You need to shut up your mouth! Don't get out of this place! Out! Can you imagine?
The prince was here looking for you. Is he not aware you killed his father?
I'll pretend I am not the one you're talking to.
I am talking to you, you fool. The police was here searching for you. It's just a matter of time. They will all hear the full gist of how you killed the king.
He killed his father, not me!
What did you just say?
You heard me. He killed his father, and I watched him do it. Now you both know.
It's a lie.
It's obvious she's going to tell my mother soon, if she hasn't already told the maidens. I have to get rid of her as soon as possible. But how can I do this without arousing suspicion? She seldom leaves the palace for any errand. She's always at the palace. What if I ignore her? Maybe the fear of what I'm capable of doing to her may scare her and keep her mouth shut. Yes.
I'm Obi. I'm Obi.
You should have allowed one of these cooks to bring it, instead of you bringing it yourself. Who am I, Onyekambo, that a chief maiden in this palace like you now service me? Who am I?
Obi, you're very funny. Whether I am a chief maid or not, I am still a maid in this palace. So do not accord me respect too much than I deserve.
Look, Anna, I can give you any respect as far as this palace is concerned. I give you any respect. Don't mind those other maidens. It's pure jealousy. Pure jealousy that is disturbing them. And they are all evil. Evil.
Amobi, please. I am not here to discuss any of them.
Rest assured that Kama will visit them one after the other. Especially that one who calls herself Amaka.
Like I said, I am not here to discuss Amaka.
You said it. Don't mind my talkative mouth.
Amobi. Can you keep a secret?
A secret? How secret is the secret?
Son, did you kill your father?
What did you say?
Never mind.
No, I heard you say something.
Like I said, never mind. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. I don't know what came over me. Please eat your food, okay? Eat it.
Are you sure that she told her?
Have you been listening to everything I just said here? The foolish girl opened her mouth to my mother.
Did she believe her?
If she didn't believe her, then why did she ask me?
But from what you said, she may have told your mother, but your mother doesn't believe her. Because if your mother believed her, I don't think you'll be here. She might have called the police on you.
That bastard opened her mouth to my mother. She needs to be taken care of. She needs to be deleted ASAP.
I think I believe you on that. Because I think the next thing she would do is tell you no or some of the maidens who will be gullible enough to believe her. And that's trouble.
Now you're getting my point. Now you're getting my point. She needs to be taken care of. This is a big threat.
My queen.
Yes, hello.
Do you know that I was with the elders at Umokoro Kingdom? We waited endlessly for the arrival of the prince, but he didn't show up.
Huh. But he told me that he was going to join you people at Umokoro Kingdom.
He didn't show up, my queen.
I even called him a moment ago, and he said he just left Umokoro Kingdom. Huh? That the meeting went successful.
That is a blatant lie, my queen. It's a lie. This prince is becoming terrible. Look, see, I have to talk to him immediately. Please, I need to talk to him.
Well, he's not back yet. Let me speak to him first, please.
It's all right. My queen.
Yes.
Please tell him that all the elders are angry with him. They are not happy with him at all. It's all right. Let me hurry up now. I need to meet others.
It's all right, or no?
All right. Thank you.
Oh no, I am beginning to doubt his ability to take this kingdom forward if you make him our king.
I am more than disappointed for the way he lied to the mother after what he did to us. If not for the respect that Igwe Fodile had for us, he would have thrown us out of his palace. Huh?
Well, didn't you see how his Sonowu spoke to us with that respect? Because we went there without a king or a crown prince. What an insult! Eh? See, if that prince is not ready to take this throne, let him tell us.
Exactly. Huh? Anyway, I await his explanation for this nonsense that he did.
No, I should be on my way.
It's all right. I miss your family.
Pick your call, pick your call. What is wrong with my son? God, what is happening? Eh?
My queen.
What? What is it?
My queen, I have something to tell you.
Now is not a good time.
She said now is not a good time. My queen, we know what happened to the king.
What nonsense are you talking about?
The king was poisoned and...
I can see Lotana put you up to this. Isn't it?
No, my queen.
Enough! Now get out of this place. Out!
Listen, it was Lotana that...
Ah, of course it is Lotana. Now get out! Out this minute! Nonsense. What is really happening? Eh?
Something is not right here. Something is definitely not right. How can we give her such an important information and she paid deaf ears? How?
Did you hear what she said? She said she knows. Meaning, she knows that Lotana did it.
I still can't believe what I heard. Is it that she's aware that Lotana killed her husband and she's covering up for her? Like, I don't understand. And decide to keep it to herself. Is she aware that the chief maid murdered her husband, our king?
Like I said before, something is definitely not right. And if it's what I am thinking, girls, we are in a deep mess.
How?
Charms. I told you girls before that Lotana uses charms. She must have charmed the queen so that the queen won't be able to accuse her or even challenge her. I mean, it's all part of her evil agenda. Don't you get it?
Meaning she can do anything and get away with it.
Exactly! Exactly!
You know what, girls? I hate that girl so much. Let's strangle her tonight. Who is with me?
Please, I'm not in support of killing her. Please, Biko, we can deal with her some other way. To deal with her, we will not go put ourselves for trouble. I beg.
Lotana. How can that girl, how can that evil being, how can that girl be so heartless? How can she have such evil in her heart? Jeez. Girls, what do we do?
Abomination.
And why did it take you so long to open the gate?
I was praying.
Are you tired of this job?
No.
You wash this car immediately because I'm going out with it, okay?
Murderer.
Excuse me, what did you just say?
Nothing, no. I was just reciting a poem.
He obviously called me a murderer. No doubt. That imp must have snitched on me.
Wash this car immediately.
You are committing evil. You have sold your heart to devil. You are now a murderer because of money and position. This is sacrilege.
My queen.
How dare you? How dare you?
My queen.
Shut up, you fool. What is wrong with you? What is your problem? Why are you hell-bent on disappointing me? Eh, Lotana? How can you go about gossiping with my son's name to your fellow maidens, accusing him falsely, thereby laying accusation on him? What is wrong with you?
My queen, I didn't tell him.
Now listen, and listen good. If you ever accuse my son falsely, ever again, to anyone, I will not only have you out of this palace, I will also have you punished. Is that clear?
Yes, my queen.
Good.
My queen.
Out of my sight. Out! I will soon strip you of that chief maid. Stupid girl. Can you imagine?
Where is Lieutenant?
She's inside, my prince. No, I thought I saw her leaving.
Oh, my prince, do you need anything? We can arrange that for you.
I want to see Lieutenant now.
Why are you all acting dumb? I need to see Lieutenant now. Go fetch her. Now. Oh, Lieutenant. There you are. I've been searching everywhere. What's that?
For me?
Yes. Look what I got for you. Some nice snacks. You like them? Have it.
But I didn't ask for it.
No one rejects a princely gift. Go ahead. Enjoy. You are loved. Beautiful.
Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself for the reward of the latest jazz woman. Whoever did this thing for you is very strong. The person is so good. See how you made the young man forget that you murdered his father. Instead, he is showering you with gifts.
Who knows what he will buy for her next?
A car.
Or even marry her.
Over my dead body. You think you're winning, right? You think you're winning? When I'm ready for you. When I am ready for you, Lieutenant, you will run out of this palace.
Pico, give me this thing, officer. So if we allow you, you are going to enjoy this alone. Please, girls, who is with me? Let's go and enjoy it.
Go and enjoy by yourself. I'm not interested.
I know you don't like snacks now, so this one is for me. Let me go and enjoy myself.
I'd advise you don't eat that.
Otherwise, what? What will you do? It's yours.
Please, I'm inside the bed. Let me go and enjoy myself.
One. The prince will buy something for. What's this? Let me enjoy myself.
The chief lady, Lotana.
Son, this document contains all the details you need to know about our kingdom and a guide in making good choice of word at all time. As a king, your father tried to teach you some of this, but you're always a loggerhead with him.
He never gave me the opportunity to express myself.
Oh, son, the time has come for you to right all his wrong and to do what is right for the kingdom. Go through this and sharpen your mindset. It will help you a whole lot.
It's alright, Mom.
Alright. So when are you meeting with the elders?
Oh shit.
What is it?
I have something to take care of.
What about the elders?
I'll be right back.
Oh my God. What's going on?
I don't know what to do. Honestly, I don't.
Maybe we should speak to the police.
The police? I don't have any evidence. Have you forgotten?
Yeah, you are right. It pains me how those girls are treating you and accusing you. And accusing you for what I am very sure you are innocent of.
Honestly, the worst is that the queen does not even want to give me a listening ear. She hates me now and I don't understand it. To her, I am a threat to the peace in this palace.
Don't worry, my dear. God will surely vindicate you. God will vindicate you, okay? Maybe we should tell the Onowu. What do you think?
I thought about that. But what guarantee do I have that he's not going to tell the queen? And once he tells the queen, she will definitely throw me out of this place. That I can assure you.
Like I said, God will surely vindicate you. God will not disappoint you, okay? We will surely work out something. And we will find a solution. Okay? You're a good person. You see, God will vindicate you and expose that evil prince.
Luchy! Luchy! Amaka! 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 Luchy's not breathing. Is she okay? What is it? Is she okay? Eh?
Chidi, what's going on? How could you have made such a tedious withdrawal from my account, from the account? For God's sake, it's my father's account. You have no right to do that. You ought to have told me before making such unnecessary withdrawal from the account.
You called it unnecessary?
Of course it is.
Did you ask me what I did with the money?
What else? No, you tell me what else if not women? What else?
Anayo, don't be ungrateful. Don't.
Don't tell me that, all right? Do not tell me that. You ought to do what is right. And what is right is you telling me before making such withdrawal from the account.
Oh, stop ranting and mind your kingdom. Stop worrying about the money that you and your generation can never finish. Besides, it's our money. Yeah. I mean, on it.
Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Is this what you're telling me? Don't piss me off. Chidi, don't piss me off.
Can I? Oh.
You can run in a person, but you cannot hide your. One day, this your sins on your name must find you out. Keep a cocoa you love.
I need your help.
What is it?
My life is in danger.
How?
The prince, he wants me to accompany him to Mokro Kingdom tomorrow. But I'm scared I may not return safely.
Then you should refuse to go with him. Is it by force?
He already has the backing of the queen. And you know I cannot refuse a direct order from the queen.
So what do you do now?
I don't know. That's why I came to you for help. You need to think of a way to help me. Otherwise I am dead by tomorrow. I don't want to die. I want to die.
Don't worry. You won't die. We must find a solution. You won't die. You won't die.
Hey.